Have any of you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars? I'm sure that everyone has looked up at the stars, at least once in their lives. Now, today, I'm going to be teaching you about those stars. Now, for several years, I've been doing research on the stars, and I have found some quite credible sources. Today, I will be informing you about what a star is, the star at the center of our solar system, and the closest star to our solar system other than that star. Now, first, I'm going to go over what a star is. Now, stars are massive balls of ionized gas, or plasma. They create very large amounts of energy through the process of thermonuclear fusion, which is the process of hydrogen atoms combining to create helium atoms. These stars are created in a gaseous nebula comprised mostly of hydrogen. When these nebulas collapse in on themselves due to the gravity caused by the hydrogen atoms, this is what creates the star and starts the process of thermonuclear fusion. Now, stars are classified by their spectra, or color. This is determined by their temperature. Now, the different classifications, as you can read across the top there, are O, B, A, F, G, K, and M. Now, if you were to graph those classes along with their temperature against the brightness on the side of the stars, this is called a Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. And astronomers use this to graph stars and then put them into more specific groups like red giants, red supergiants, and dwarf stars. Now, I will talk about the sun. The sun is the star at the center of our solar system. Its gravitational pull is what keeps all of the planets, asteroids, and comets orbiting around it. Now, our sun has a diameter of 864,000 miles and a mass 330,000 times that of the Earth, and it is classified as a Class G star. Our sun also produces all of the energy for the entire solar system and is what is responsible for creating the specific circumstances that allows life to exist on Earth. This is found on Wikipedia on the Sun article. Next, the next closest star. Now, the next closest star is 4.22 light years away and is called the Alpha Centauri system. Now, it is called a system because while it appears to be a single star in the night sky, the Alpha Centauri system is actually comprised of two stars in a binary star system that orbit around each other. Now, those two stars are Alpha Centauri A, a Class G star, very similar to that of the Sun, and Alpha Centauri B, a Class K star, which is somewhat smaller and about half as bright as the Sun. Now, this was found on an article about Alpha Centauri on space.com. Now, we're going to talk about Proxima Centauri. This star is within the gravitational pull of the Alpha Centauri AB system. But due to its small size and its large distance from the system of 1.2 trillion miles, it is unknown at this time by astronomers if Proxima Centauri actually orbits the system and thus should be included as part of it, or is just a simple star passing through the system. So this rounds out all of this teaching. So in conclusion, I have covered today what a star is, what the star is at the center of our solar system, the sun, and the next closest star system, Alpha Centauri. I hope that all of you will take the time to go out and look up at the night stars and see and appreciate the trillions of stars that you now know a little bit more about. Thank you.